Today I am going to teach you about the types of e-commerce business models. First, let us look at what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is marketing and advertising of a business, person or services using the online channels, electronic devices and digital technologies. A few examples of digital marketing include social media. Social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc. Email. Nowadays they are marketing even through email. They send us the offers, and if any new services or products have been included in the website, they will update us telling in the email. And even SEO. SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. Marketing is the component of marketing that uses the internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop computer, mobile phones and other digital media and platforms to promote their product and services. That is, they use different types of social media platforms and other platforms to advertise about the product and services to the relevant customers. Go into different types of e-commerce business model. The first model is business to consumer or B2C. Business to consumer or B2C e-commerce consists of sale of goods or services to the general public. B2C example is, suppose I have a company and I want to sell my product and services to the customer through websites or any other online resources. Then it can be referred to as the B2C model. The best example of B2C model consists of Amazon and eBay. Type is consumer to business or C2B e-commerce, where it consists of sale of goods and services to business organization through websites. For example, a consumer places some of the goods and services on the online platform. If the services and product create the value to the business organization, then they order these product and services. Most of the time, the business organization will prefer services rather than the products. Whenever the deal is done, they receive the products and the consumer in return will receive the money. The best example of C2B model is Fiverr. Type of model is business to business model or B2B model, which takes place between the two businesses, where the manufacturer of the product will sell the product to the wholesaler and the wholesaler will sell the product to the consumers in return. For example, there are two businesses, that is manufacturer and the wholesaler. The wholesaler goes to the business organization website or any other online resources and orders in bulk. The business organization will process the order and supply the products to the wholesaler. When the wholesaler receives the product, he sells the same product to the consumers at a higher price. The best example of B2B model is Alibaba and IndiaMart. Type of model is consumer to consumer or C2C e-commerce, which takes place between two consumers, where one consumer wants to sell the product and the other consumer purchases the item by offering a highest bid. For example, if I want to sell a car, I post a picture of my car on OLX or eBay, while the other customer will bid for the highest and purchase the car which I have posted. Type of model is business to administration, which takes place between the business and the public administration or government. Government agencies or administration uses central websites to trade and exchange information with various business organizations. B2A include different services, and some of them are fiscal policies, social security, legal documents and other government related operations. Business administration is also known as business to government or B2C model, and best example of B2A is Asila. It's a software company that provides government software solution and public access to the government services for permitting, planning, licensing, public health and so on. Of model is consumer to administration or C2A model, which encompasses of electronic transaction between the consumer and the public administration or government. C2A e-commerce model helps the consumer to post their queries and request information regarding the public sector directly from the local government or authority. It provides an easy way to establish the communication between the consumer and the government. The best example of C2A model is it helps in distance learning, distribution of information through social security, electronic tax filing, payment of health services, etc.